Every day, your kidneys filter about 180 liters of plasma. Follow one drop of that filtrate on its full journey, the nephron, end to end, from the glomerulus to the final urine that leaves your body. Filtration happens at the glomerulus, a capillary tuft fed by a wide afferent arteriole and drained by a narrower efferent arteriole, keeping pressure inside it high. Hydrostatic pressure pushes fluid out across the barrier. Oncotic pressure from plasma proteins pulls back in. Hydrostatic wins, so about 180 liters filter into Bowman's space daily. Water, ions, glucose, and amino acids pass freely, while red cells and albumin stay behind. That filtrate enters the proximal convoluted tubule, the workhorse segment. About 65% of filtered sodium and water are reabsorbed here, dragging chloride and bicarbonate with them. Virtually all filtered glucose and amino acids ride sodium back in through the transporter SGLT. Water follows solute osmotically, so our droplet shrinks in volume, but stays isosmotic with plasma the whole way through. Next, the loop of Henle. The descending limb is permeable to water but not solute, so dipping into the salty medulla, water leaves, and the droplet concentrates. At the bottom, the thick ascending limb flips the physiology. NKCC2 pumps sodium, potassium, and chloride out, but the wall stays impermeable to water, so the droplet dilutes again, the countercurrent multiplication that builds the medullary gradient. The droplet reaches the distal convoluted tubule, where the transporter NCC fine-tunes sodium reabsorption. In the collecting duct, principal cells reabsorb sodium through channels tuned by aldosterone and secrete potassium in exchange. ADH makes the final call, inserting water channels called aquaporin 2, so water follows the medullary gradient, with urea recycling back in. What started as 180 liters of filtrate leaves as about 1.5 liters of urine. Trace the trip: glomerulus, proximal tubule, loop of Henle, distal tubule, collecting duct under ADH. Each stop is a drug target too: acetazolamide, the proximal tubule, loop diuretics, NKCC2, thiazides, NCC, potassium-sparing drugs, the collecting duct. 180 liters filtered a day, about 1.5 liters becomes urine.